Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can blur images and photos in Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your design or photo in Canva, and as you can see, edit this one here to my canvas. So what you want to do is left click into your photo image to select it, and after that click into edit here and at the top, and after that you will see these customization or image editing tools to the left. So here you may simply head over to the effect section and click into blur. And after that, decide whether you'd like to blur the whole image or specific parts or areas of the image by selecting the brush. So let me go with the brush tool for the sake of this tutorial. After that, make sure that the brush type is selected, add blur, and adjust your brush size. So if you'd like, for instance, to blur larger parts or areas of the image, adjust or select a pretty large brush size, like, I don't know, let's go with 100%. Select the intensity below of the blur effect, and after that simply start blurring the given area in your photo. So let me blur, for example, these buildings here, and as you can see the blur effect has been applied. So you may play around with the brush size and the intensity here, or remove the blur entirely or specific parts of the blur effect or area in your canvas. So let me remove it and also show you the whole image effect. So click into whole image here, and after that simply adjust your intensity. Wait for Canva to apply these changes, and as you can see the blur effect has been applied. And last but not least, you may remove it by clicking on remove blur here. And that's it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.